If you have an iPhone 8 or newer, your phone can use wireless charging. To charge your iPhone wirelessly, you'll need a wireless charging device like this one here. This is Apple's own MagSafe charger, and it's a really awesome accessory to have. It's using the MagSafe magnetic mounting, so if you have iPhone 12 or newer, it'll automatically snap in place using the magnetic connection. The charging speed can vary depending on the phone you have, but on my iPhone 16 Pro, I get fast wireless charging up to 25 watts, which gives you up to 50% battery in around 30 minutes. I just love the convenience of these. If my phone is going to be laying on a desk anyway, it might as well rest on a wireless charger. There's a bunch of options out there, and you don't need the official Apple charger to use wireless charging. This one here, for example, is what I use on my nightstand. It plugs into any USB-C cable. It has the same strong magnetic connection, and the way it's built allows you to use your phone as a little nightstand display. Attach your phone vertically, and it has the standard screen. But if you attach your phone horizontally, you can have the nightstand view on, which is awesome, especially if your phone has the always-on display like mine does. This charger also has a place for your AirPods case, and if your AirPods have the wireless charging case, you can also charge them on Apple's own MagSafe charger. One thing to note, if you use a case around your iPhone, make sure the case supports wireless charging. Usually you can tell the wireless charging cases by a ring like this on the case. Most cases these days support wireless charging, but if your connection is weak or your phone isn't charging properly, the case is usually the first thing to check. Hope that helps. Happy charging! Leave a comment if you have questions and subscribe for more easy guides like this.